Look at this new 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 on the highway. The Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR, 7,000 pounds 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.08 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing flex fuel, transmission, 6-speed automatic, wheels, 418x 845.7 cm x 20.3 cm aluminum, Power Pack Plus, tires, P265/65 R18 on off-road, white outline letter, license plate bracket, front and the suspension package, off-road. Call 910-798-2727 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.